For homeowners seeking window replacement. Webster TX Window Replacement Webster TX, the fastest way to improve comfort, curb appeal, and energy performance is with home window replacement Webster TX tailored to Gulf Coast weather. In neighborhoods near NASA Parkway, Bay Area Belvedere, and El Camino Real, professional window contractors Webster TX install insulated windows. Webster TX designed to reduce heat gain, limit drafts, and modernize older homes. Whether you need affordable window replacement Webster TX for a starter home or custom window replacement Webster TX for a larger property, local window installers Webster TX help match style, budget, and durability. Many residents searching replacement windows near Webster TX want dependable products that handle humidity, storms, and everyday wear. Energy-efficient windows. Webster TX are one of the most requested upgrades for homes in Webster TX because they can help lower cooling costs and improve year-round indoor comfort. High-efficiency replacement windows. Webster TX Gulf Coast options often include double-pane window replacement Webster TX, low-E glass, insulated frames, and weather-tight seals that work well in the Clear Lake area. Homeowners looking for energy-saving windows in Webster TX often choose insulated window upgrades for homes in Webster TX to reduce hotspots, block UV exposure, and improve overall home efficiency. From older houses to new renovations, window upgrade services Webster TX provide practical value. Vinyl window replacement. Webster TX remains a popular choice because vinyl frames are durable, low maintenance, and well-suited for coastal Texas conditions. Homeowners looking for vinyl replacement windows near Bay Area Belvedere Webster TX often want a balance of affordability, clean appearance, and long-term performance. Affordable home window replacement in Webster TX is easier when vinyl options are available in multiple finishes, sizes, and operating styles. With custom-fitted windows in Webster TX near Clear Creek, local window installers. Webster TX can replace aging units with snug, secure solutions that improve energy efficiency and appearance. For many families, vinyl is the smart choice for practical, attractive window replacement services. Cost and planning are major considerations, so many homeowners begin by requesting window replacement estimates, Webster TX, before selecting products and scheduling work. A free window replacement estimate. Webster TX Neighborhood Consultation can help compare vinyl, double pane, insulated, and impact-resistant options based on your home's needs. Property owners often search for window replacement quotes in Webster TX and Clear Lake area to understand installation costs, frame materials, glass upgrades, and labor timelines. Affordable window replacement. Webster TX does not have to mean low quality when experienced window installers. Webster TX recommend dependable products with strong warranties. Transparent pricing helps homeowners make confident decisions. Style-specific services make it easier to customize your project, whether you need sliding window replacement Webster TX, casement window replacement Webster TX, or double-hung window replacement in Webster TX. Homes often request sliding glass window replacement Webster TX near FM 528 for smooth operation and wider views, while traditional homes may prefer double-hung units for ventilation and easy cleaning. Bay window replacement Webster TX and picture window installation. Webster TX are also popular for homeowners wanting more natural light and stronger curb appeal. Bay and picture window installers. Webster TX area can create a more open look while preserving energy efficiency and structural quality. Older homes often need more than glass alone, which is why window frame replacement Webster TX and window frame and sash replacement Webster TX are important services in many Webster neighborhoods. Drafty window replacement Webster TX commonly reveals hidden issues such as rotted wood, damaged sashes, broken seals, or warped frames that affect insulation and operation. Old window removal. Webster TX should be handled carefully to protect siding, trim, and interior walls during installation. Window glass replacement Webster TX may solve isolated damage, but full residential window installation Webster TX is often the better long-term option when windows are outdated. A thorough inspection helps determine whether replacement or complete replacement makes the most sense. Local expertise matters when choosing window installers. Webster TX because Gulf Coast homes face heat, moisture, and storm exposure that require region-specific installation standards. Residential window contractors in Clear Lake Webster TX and window installation experts in Webster TX understand local construction styles, permitting expectations, and the performance needs of homes close to the coast. House window replacement specialists. Webster TX Harris County can recommend insulated windows. Webster TX, stronger frame materials and installation methods that reduce leaks and improve longevity. Working with the best window replacement Webster TX company often means getting better workmanship, better product guidance, and better results for your investment. Custom projects are ideal for homeowners with unique layouts, oversized openings, or upgraded exterior designs, making custom window replacement Webster TX a valuable option. New house windows. Webster TX and modern window upgrades in Webster TX near Space Center area often include larger glass areas, contemporary frames, and clean architectural lines that complement remodeled homes. For properties near Clear Creek or established communities around Clear Lake, custom-fitted windows in Webster TX near Clear Creek create a finished look that improves both beauty and energy performance. Whether the goal is increased natural light or improved resale appeal, tailored window replacement services deliver a more precise result.